In this video, I'll teach you the nesting of conditional statements. Well, first of all, this consists in using an if inside an if, or for inside a for, or whichever is the best. In this case, I'm going to be teaching you how to use an if inside another if. I did not do a function because I thought it was easier to explain it like this. So the first thing you need to do is, well, obviously your variable, you're going to declare your variable. In this case, I'm going to be using a, and well, what this program does is you type in your age, and it's going to tell you if you're considered a child, a teenager, an adult, or an elder. So, well, I have my variable a, and well, you're going to put the you're going to ask, type your age, and the first thing, well, here it says if a, which is going to be the number you type in, your age, if your age is less than or equal to 13, it's going to display this message, which is you are considered a child. But if this is not true, it's going to jump to it's the else, so it's going to jump to the next if. So if your age is greater than or equal to 14 and age is less than 18, that means if your age is between 14 and 18, it's going to display you are considered a teenager. If this is not true, it's going to jump to the next if, which is this one, which says if your age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than or equal to 65, which means if you are in between 18 or 65 years old, it's going to display you are considered an adult. If this is not true, it's going to go to the last statement, which is if age is greater than or equal to 65, which means if you are 65 or older, it's going to display you are considered an elder. In this last case, you can type in else and then type again if, or you can just erase this and put it like that, because well, if you're from age 0 to 13, it's going to display this. From 14 through 18, it's going to display this. From 18 to 65, it's going to display this. So it's obvious that if you're over 65 or older, it's going to type it's going to display the last statement, which is this one. So we're going to run it to see how it works. So it's going to be plus h.cpp. Okay, type in your age. For example, if I say I'm 10 years old, there it is, you are considered a child. If I type in that I am 13 years old, it should type that I am a child. And yes, if I type 14, it should say I'm a teenager. And yes, there it is. If I'm gonna save it again. And if I say I'm 18, it should say I'm a teen. I am an adult. And there it is. If I say I'm 65, it should say I am an elder. And this is, so it would be the same if I type like this, or if I go back and just type the if again. It's gonna be if a is greater than or equal to 65, it's gonna type, if I save it and run it again, it should do the same. If I put 65, there it is, it's the same. So you can put on the last one, you can just type it's up to you if you put the if or if you just put the else. For me, it's easier to just put it like this because it's your last option. So that would be it.